Alright, what's going on, y'all? It is not about them today. Not about the Impala. We got the vet back. So, if you missed the last video, made a keychain. So, was doing this and another video. You can check that out. How to make dome 3D emblems, whatever it's called. But anyway, the vet is back. Transmission is officially rebuilt, and we are back in action. So, still dusty in here, but it's all dusty up there. But the vet is back, so we can get back to working and figuring out what we're gonna do with this thing. I really forgot all about this, but yeah. And these taillights that I almost forgot about. One of one. So yeah, time to start doing some vet stuff. I'm not even sure exactly where I want to start. I want to get these seats redone, but I'm gonna wait a minute. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this dark brown. I don't know if y'all saw. Well, I don't think I had it in the video, but my boy got a SRT Jeep. It's red with some brown interior, real dope. So I want to do something kind of like that dark brown. I think the vet color is like Kalahari brown or something from the C7. So something close to that color. But yeah, the vet is finally back. Trans is good, shifting smooth. So stick around for some vet footage.